Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ally Bank to enable enhanced fraud monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with Ally Bank, visit their official website. On the homepage, locate the option for sign up or register. Click on this option to start creating your account. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. This typically includes your name, email address, and phone number. Next, choose a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets Ally Bank's security requirements. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again. Once the registration form is complete, review your information for accuracy. Click the Submit button to proceed. You may receive a verification email from Ally Bank. Check your email inbox for this verification message. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, log in to your new Ally Bank account. Navigate to the Account Settings or Security Settings section. Look for the option to enable enhanced fraud monitoring. Turn on this feature to protect your account from potential fraud. You may need to provide additional identification or verification. After enabling enhanced fraud monitoring, review your account settings. Ensure all your security preferences are configured correctly. If you have any concerns, contact Ally Bank's customer support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Ally Bank and enabled enhanced fraud monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.